Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you guys how to get Adobe Photoshop CS6 for free. So let's get into it. Before that, wait. I want to tell you guys something, that be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on that bell icon. Click on that bell icon, okay? So let's get into it. So first of all, you need to do is open your browser, which, like, whatever browser you are using, you can open that. You can open Firefox, Chrome, Opera, anything. So I'm gonna open my Chrome. Okay, wait. Yeah, so first of all you need to do is click here, click here, like, click where you want to click, here or here. Well, type CROHASIT, Crohasit. I'm gonna, yeah, that's, sorry for delay. Okay, this is you will be getting the page. Click on the first link, Crohasit, download PC games for free. Click that. Okay, this page will open. This is wait, yeah, so this is the main page you will be getting if you are opening first time. So this is actually what you can download any game you want which is for PC. You can download GTA 5, you can download um, W WWE 2019, 2018, Jurassic World Evolution for free. Yeah, look, again, you can download any game you like or any game you want. That's, like, if it's free or paid, you can download it from here for free. So what, I'm gonna give a link in the description below. You can go and check that out. Then you have to type CS6, type enter. Yeah, this is the one we need. You click Photoshop CS6 for free, download, then scroll down. Or what's not happening? Wait, the ad will pop up. Close on the top, click close, close that tab, and scroll down till this one. Okay, before this you need to scroll more down, check the system requirements. Okay, you need to check your system requirements, your current PC, what you are running on your current PC. You have to check this. If this is minimum, this is the lowest you need to have. This is the processor, this is the RAM, 1 GB RAM you need minimum. You need 256 MB DirectX 9 compatible minimum graphics card, and you need 1 GB in your hard drive. And processor, you need Intel Pentium 42.0 gigahertz or better. Like, you need this one or better than this one. Like, click this download button, then you will be the link will be on you. Just close this link, then click again download, then the main page, this will open. Photoshop zip 73.72 MB. This is the you have to wait for 5 seconds, then click on download. Another pop-up ad will open. Close this. Yeah, where it is, yeah, it will start downloading your file here. Okay, wait for it to download. Yeah, after download I will be back, guys. Yeah, so after the download, your download will be finished. Click on this zip, then click on Photoshop. Guys, you need to have WinRAR. Okay, I'm gonna link the link WinRAR in the bio. You can check that out also. Click on this Photoshop, then click on setup. It will extract. Wait for it. What just happened? Wait, we take time. Yeah, this one will open. Select setup language. What language you want that in? Click it. I want English. Click OK. This will open. Click next. Then click accept agreement. Click next. Click the location you need. Click next. Like what, like the name you want to choose for that. Like no, the folder it will be going is Adobe Photoshop CS6. Click next. If you want a desktop icon, you can mark click on this box, or if you don't, just click again. The tick will remove. It means the icon will be not displaying on your desktop. Click next. So this is the step that you need. You need to click this serial text. Okay, this is your serial key. Select this. Select copy. uh, Open this, paste it, click next. Okay, that will be done. Then click install, and that's it, guys. that's that's it. Finish. Then wait for it. So mine is what mine is already, wait, yeah, so mine I have already installed. So this will it will show up like this. Okay, double click, or no, okay, let it load. Take time. This is so bad. Here you go, guys. So this is how you get Adobe Photoshop for free. Like you can create it. Where open it. There it is. On this random. Look, you can do anything you like. You can choose a color, white and black. You can choose like this. Whatever you want, a gradient to, text to. Look, you can do that. You can save it. If you want to save it, click on file, save as. Be sure to choose format and go down and select JPEG, JPG, JPEG, JPE. Be sure to do that. If you need a picture, you need to select this option. Then click save. Then click large file. For if you need high quality, you need to get the large file. That means maximum. Or you can click this one. If you don't know how to do it, you can click this one. This low, medium, high, maximum. Maximum is like ultra quality you need, like clear picture, best quality they can give. Okay, this one they will prove how much like it will take space, and click OK. Then that's it, done. You can close this, minimize it, close that. Where it is, where it is, here you go. Here you go. Yeah, guys. Yeah, I want to tell you guys one thing, that if you are opening Adobe Photoshop, If you have already double clicked it, or right clicked it, open or run as administrator, then wait for it. Wait for 2 minutes, 1 minute, 2 to 3 minutes, because if you are gonna open again, it will show you this option: other instances of Adobe Photoshop CS6 is already running. Please close other instances of Adobe Photoshop CS6 before launching Photoshop Portable. So it means there's already Adobe Photoshop running in my background. In the starting, it will take time to open, then it will open. Don't like delete it, like install it again, delete, install, complain. Don't spam the comment section, guys, please. I'm telling you before. Okay, then that's it. So thank you for watching, and subscribe, guys, like, comment, and turn on that notification bell. Click on that to get my when I will upload, you will get notification that I've uploaded. Be sure to watch my videos, and don't spam comment section, please. If something is not working, you can I will check the comment section. If something is not working, you can click it, I mean you can type it, you can comment it. I will try to solve that, and I will reply to you as soon as possible. And yeah, and tell me, like, what do you need to download, or what do you need that you don't understand. Tell me in the comment section. I will see and I will try to solve your problems. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Peace out.